Hi there. My name is Avatar Sam. I am an avatar created by someone who wants to remain anonymous, but wants nothing more than to spread love, knowledge, and wisdom through me. So, welcome to my YouTube channel, Change Your Mind, Change Your World. Today I'm going to talk about 4 gut instincts you should never ignore. But firstly, gut instincts or intuition are often described as a strong inner feeling or hunch that something is true or is going to happen. While it is important to use critical thinking and consider all available evidence when making decisions, there are some situations where it may be wise to pay attention to your gut instincts. The first gut instinct is excitement about an opportunity. Excitement is your intuition's way of saying that something about that opportunity is resonation with your soul. Don't allow your logical mind to talk you out something you deeply feel is aligned for you, even if you're scared. Naturally, when we're comfortable, our mind tries to stop us from taking risks or putting ourselves in situations that make us uncomfortable as a protection mechanism, but in order to grow and challenge ourselves, we must get comfortable being uncomfortable. However, if you have a nagging feeling that a decision you are about to make is not the right one, it may be worth taking some time to reconsider and explore other options, as well as any consequences that may come from an opportunity. It is important to have some faith and trust your gut to get you to where you need to go in life. The second gut instinct you should not ignore is if you ever get a feeling of danger. When you get a feeling something is off, and you feel an immense sense of nervousness, take it seriously. It's better to be safe than sorry. So take the necessary steps to protect yourself. We are always drawn to people for a reason. It means their presence serves a divine purpose. Even if it's only a brief encounter or temporary relationship, there is a reason the universe wants you to collide. However, it is important to protect yourself first. Never overtrust anyone by oversharing all your secrets and insecurities. You need to make people work to earn your trust and a place in your life. Just take your time and open up slowly, while always being kind and truly giving people the opportunity to love you. As well, if you have a feeling that a person is not trustworthy or is acting deceitfully, it may be best to listen to your instincts and distance yourself from that person. The last gut instinct to be mindful of is if you ever feel that you are not doing well. You need to take a step back and just listen to your body. Your body always knows when something isn't quite right, and you will always receive signs when something is off. Trust your body as it is intelligent. Never simply brush off or ignore an instinct when it comes to your health. Overall, it is important to listen to your gut instincts and trust your own judgment, especially when it comes to matters of safety and well-being. Always listen to that gut feeling, as it can make a huge difference in guiding you. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, change your mind, change your world.